Hi, welcome again. This is JM and your instructor. And warm welcome to you. And I'm very happy I got this chance to really teach you Google Docs to create amazing documents in the future and from now on. So let's go ahead and start with the Google account. Now, if you want to use Google Docs and you want to have Google Docs, so you should have a Google account or a Gmail account. And that's necessity thing, and that's the first requirement. Now, if you already have, Google accounts, you don't need to watch this lecture, so you can skip and check mark it and go to the next one. But if you don't have it, so let's go ahead, and this time can be a great time to create an account with me, okay? So you go to google.com, Gmail, and /about, or you go to gmail.com, okay? That's a very easy thing, okay? gmail.com. And then you will have like my page here. If you already own a Google account, so you click on sign in. But if you don't, so you want to create from zero, so you click create an account. So from now on, let's see if we click on sign in, what we will have. So let's say sign in. Once we sign in, we will have like this page. Okay, so you type your email and you type your password and you log in, and then you can use Google Docs. And then, but if you create an account, so you will have like this page. So we're gonna create an account. So we still gonna go create account, and I'm gonna click on create account. It says, okay, you have to choose really for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. So you can go personally, or you can go for your child, or you can go for your business. So you have a different, you can have a different objective there. So we're gonna go on myself, okay, for personal use. So we will click there, and once you click on create an account, you will have like this page that will be loaded in this page in here once you create account, okay? I hope you got it and you learned it right now. Okay, it's very easy, gmail.com, and then create an account. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, things you will need in here: name, last name, password, and alternative emails that you can maybe have it as a support there, and also phone number. So we're gonna type in here JM Docs. Okay, so this username should be available, JM Docs, and the password is, so I'm gonna type my password. Don't let anyone to show, don't let anyone to see your password because it's secret. So that's it. I'm gonna click on next. Now, if this is available, so it'll show me in quick seconds. So right now it's not available. Okay, no worry. So we're gonna select a one. So you can just play with it around and you can pick up a nice one, okay, for creating account in here. So I'm gonna select on this because we're not gonna waste our time. And then it says phone number, it's an optional. So you can have optional number. And it says date of birth. So I'm gonna click on optional. Okay, I'm not gonna input them, and I'm not gonna type anything for them. Okay, so my date of birth, this is 1. Okay, there you go. And I am male. And hit next. Okay, that's very easy, okay? So you go to gmail.com and you say create an account, and you do like filling these form, and then once you're done, so I'm gonna save my password, and then use accept to the agreement, I agree, and then your account is loaded and your account is created, and then you can use Google Docs. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. Right now we are on Google Docs. Okay, so this is the place of Google Docs. Anytime you want to open Google Docs, so you say docs.google.com. So there you go, docs www.google.com. It's very easy. So right now I have opened my Google Docs and I can have it. Okay, see you in the next video.